Wow, you guys, this is another really great ThredUP lot. I am so excited. Whew, boy, let's get started. Hey guys, it's Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. Today we are opening up a ThredUP 15-piece. This is from Suwanee, Georgia. I think it's one of my newer boxes. I didn't mark when I received it, so we will look on that receipt and see what it says. I'll go ahead and get through all this massive tape. Swear they have the best tape. Alright. So if you're new here, I'm Deborah, Timeless Jewel by Deborah. What I do is I do unboxings, buy jewelry sales, videos, purse sales, collabs, lots of collabs. I just recently opened up a Louis Vuitton box. That box is fantastic. Alright, so I ordered this April 8th. And I think, yeah, these run $54, but then there's shipping, tax, and shipping. So, great. I'll go ahead and get this out. So, what I'll do is I'll take everything out, no bag, and we will go through each piece. I will give you prices and any information. Go ahead. It looks like we've got some multiples here. That's weird. It's like, usually they all come in either all foam or not. So this is kind of mixed. So let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 3 packages. I'm going to move you up. Go ahead and see in here. It looks like earrings. Oh, they're all loose. So I'm making sure that there is nothing stuck in there. This looks like it has some necklaces. So we're supposed to get 15 pieces. Go ahead and dump those out. So it's stuck on the tape. Alright. And then I like to reuse these bags. Jewelry shop, as jewelry sellers, we like to reuse them when we ship your. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I will lay it out, give you guys, we'll do this by number, and you will email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com if you are interested in any of these pieces. So I will see you guys in 1 second with more information. Alright, so don't forget we're going to claim by numbers. We did get all 15 pieces, so that is a plus. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So first item is Sugar Fix by Bubble Bar, and I didn't know they sell these at Target. For Target, they measure in at 2 1/4 inches. You'll claim by emailing me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com with the number if you're interested. So this is number 1, and they're going to be $5. Okay, number 2 is really cute. These are by CNC California. They are acrylic disc dangle earrings. They are in a like brushed gold tone. They measure in at 2 1/4 inches. So number 2 will do for $5. All right, number 3. These are really pretty. I didn't find out who the maker is on them, but they are gold tone with rhinestones. They measure in at 1 1/4 inches. We'll go ahead and do number 3 for $5. They're super pretty. I love those. Okay, number 4. Let me move these out of the way. Number 4 are Christian Soriano earrings. So these are gold toned. They are convertible. So you can wear the stars without the moons, or you can wear them together as it is, or you can put the moons on another pair of earrings. So they are by Christian Soriano. They are the star and moon earrings in CZ. We can go ahead and do number 4 for $8. Cute. cute, cute. I like those. All right. Number 5 is a pair of Kendra Scott earrings. So these are a very pale peachy pink. I would call them more of a peach. They are the Taylor stud faceted earrings. We can go ahead and do number 5 for 15. Super pretty. Love those earrings. I'm going to move these holders off. I hope you guys like seeing the clear holders. I think they work really nice. All right, so number 6, and I got a new backing. I went with purple. My gray one was a little dingy and cut up, and so I went with a lilac. All right, so these are gorgeous. These are marked MM, which is a Melinda Maria. They are peach moonstone earrings with CZ. They are 14 karat gold plated earrings. They are absolutely lovely. They are 2 1/4 inches. We can do the number 6 for $20. Beautiful, beautiful. And these are all subscriber prices. If it goes on eBay, it would be double, if not more, on that. So number 7 is a Rebecca Minkoff necklace. Okay, let me kind of show this to you here. So it's long, it's silver tone, and this is called the caged stud. So it's a caged stud, and that comes down to this really beautiful silver tone tassel. Let me go ahead and find the sock monkey. And I didn't measure it, so from the end to the cage is 20 inches total, and then your measurement on the tassel would be just about 7 inches once you get that dangle all the way down. So that is by Rebecca Minkoff. It is number 7. We can go ahead and do that for 20. Whoops, I moved you guys. Sorry about that. Okay, let's move that back over. Number 8 is J. Crew. This is a red enameled bracelet. It is small, and it does have its tag on it. It does have a mark right here. I'm going to kind of angle it so you guys can see that. In the enamel, I'm not sure if it can come out. I was trying to gently rub at it, but I don't want to damage it anymore. It is marked J. Crew. It fits a 7 1/4 on the bracelet mandrel. So since there's that enamel on there, we'll go ahead and do that for 10, and that was number 8. All right. Number 9 is adorable. Here, give it a number. All right, so this is Brighton. It did come with a bag, so you've got your Brighton bag, so that will come with it. It is really beautiful. It is silver tone. This is all faceted glass, and then you have like cage beads. That's what I call them, caged beads, where they're pierced. It's a really beautiful, beautiful piece. It is 7 inches. That is at its fully extended. You could go about 7 1/8, or you could always add an extender to it as well if you needed. But for this Brighton number 9, we will go ahead and do 20 on it. Really super pretty, and it does come with its bag. Okay. Number 10 also comes with a bag. Let me grab this bag. Kate Spade. So we have a gunmetal black with gold tone glitter hinged bracelet. This is small. So this does come with your bag. It is 6 1/4 inches on the bracelet mandrel. So it is really pretty. I've never seen this in the black gunmetal. It does come with its bag. That is number 10, and we can do that for 20. All right. Number 11. I love this brand. These are Kurt Geiger, London. So these are a gunmetal with rhinestones. They have multi beautiful colors. And these were made for Nordstrom. They were originally $68. Their anniversary price was $44.99. They are a fantastic brand. We can go ahead and do the Kurt Geiger for, let's do them for $25. Gorgeous. I told you this is a great lot. I wish they all looked this great, but they don't. So I think everything is branded in here. Everything but one pair of earrings. Yes. So next up we have Kendra Scott. Oh, and that Kurt Geiger did have a bag. So you will also get the Kurt Geiger bag. Let me go ahead and put that in there now while I'm thinking about it. All right. So then we got a Kendra Scott. This is a cobalt blue. This is called the Rain Necklace. It is gold tone. You have the tassel. You can kind of see through that blue. Really pretty. Really long chain on that. It's marked Kendra Scott right there. That is number 12. We can do that for $40. Lovely. I told you, it's a great lot. Number 13 is fantastic, you guys. Okay. I'm going to lay this out. It is beautiful. This is one of the prettiest J. Crew pieces I have ever gotten, just because it is different. So you've got bright orange, bright pink, you've got like raspberry, rhinestones, clear, and all the stones are there. I double checked all the little stones. It is fantastic. I believe this is a retired piece. It is lovely, and it measures in a total length of 20. We can do that for $35. It is phenomenal. Let me bring that up so you guys can see that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. All right, number 14. Okay, you guys. J. King DTR. So this is his Vine Finds. So what we have are carved amethyst. We've got aventurine, green aventurine, and we've got pink quartz, sterling silver marking. There's a little heart hang tag, and it is marked 925 with the DTR logo. It is 24 inches. It is absolutely fantastic. I was not sure if I was going to let this one go or not, but you know, I was in the ER the other day, so I'm going to have hospital bills, so I am not keeping it for myself. So number 14, we'll go ahead and do it for $50. It's beautiful. All right. And number 15 is cute. And it just meant to be. Look, timeless sterling silver. Isn't that funny? No pun intended. It is beautiful. This is sterling silver. A mother's love knows no limits. It's an 18-inch sterling silver necklace in its container. Just a really nice piece. 18 inches again. We can go ahead and do that for $40. It is gift ready. So, all right, you guys, you could claim that by number 15 if you want it. Again, it was $40. So let me know, what was your favorite piece? As much as I love the sterling and the J. King, I absolutely, I'm loving this J. Crew necklace. So if you are interested, you can email me at timelessjewel@gmail.com. We are claiming by number, and all the items that came in bags will have their bags come with them. So just let me know. Oh yeah, the Brighton too. So, all right, you guys. Well, I am going to end it there. You guys have a fantastic day or evening, wherever you are in this small world of ours. And as always, please be well, take care of each other, and tell someone you love them today. It is really important. All right, you guys. Bye.